I think to be fair to the Supreme Court, in the last few months, they've been very emphatic and clear about it. Many cases traveled there and met their grief if they were erected on that foundation. It would take something extraordinary in terms of the nature of the case you have made before I think Supreme Court may modify their view on that, because usually the whole purpose is that you cannot be an independent candidate in Nigeria and contest election. If the facts do not disclose that kind of infraction, I would be surprised if we see a different turn of events in any of these appeals presently from governorship election. So that's it.
The allegation by people that they were sustained by 84 votes in the last governorship election.
No, we have argued it. See, the election in Abia this time, like we talked about, the Obingwa jinx was what was broken in this election. And the Tribunal and Court of Appeal agreed with us. And that was the touch point of the case at the Supreme Court. It used to be that one local government in that state used to determine who is the governor. But this time around, the jinx was broken because the attempt to use the same methodology, actually the strategy failed. We hope the Supreme Court would put a final lead on that strategy that has been used before to undo the people's will. But for now, we keep our fingers crossed. It's a question of resolving XDP 38 and SP 188, all of which came from the same party. And one shows that our client got a clear 174,000 as against their own word 84,000. And whether the result that was not stamped, that was signed by a ward agent representing to the local government agent, will suffice to overturn it. So let's keep fingers crossed and we pray for their lordship for God's wisdom. Thank you. My name is AJ OWONIKOKO SAN. The J is not John, it's Jalil. And as you heard the court now, they say I've been adopted as a son of Abia.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.